Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation down here is coming from, but that looks pretty silly right now, which really just goes to show how much of a powerful day today was. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this line for nearer term levels of support. Sure, it still pertains, but it's excuse me, it's not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So just trying to be as user-friendly as possible. So the first level of support to keep an eye on, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, is at 73 cents. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would definitely be 73 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at 65 cents. So 73 cents, 65 cents, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the grand scheme of things, the big picture perspective, whatever you want to call it. Keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to keep on moving itself higher and higher as time goes by. So a very simplistic and basic, yet effective approach to the chart as far as gauging the overall strength or lack thereof of the current price movement is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself increases, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As things stand right now, sellers are currently right around the 82-cent level. I realize the price went a little bit up above it, but on a couple occasions, you can see right there, price didn't quite hit it. So just trying to find a middle ground there, and I'm going to call it up there at 82 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But as far as the trend is concerned, the bulls have a nice uptrend underway. So now it's all about starting to build those overall higher lows. So we'll see what they have in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.